Hey everybody, so I got a quick video from Walmart to do. Some pretty interesting items I found, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, alright, so I picked up some items from Walmart. I thought a couple of them were pretty interesting. I grabbed multiples of them. So we're gonna, a couple of these items I've used before. And take everything out the bag. So I picked up two of these 16 gauge light duty outdoor extension cords. You know, I have one sitting right here on the toolbox. But you know, these aren't the interesting, you know, haven't seen them before. This, I've actually never seen this attachment before from Dremel, and it's part number 678-01, the very bottom. It says circle cutter and straight edge guide. I thought that was pretty neat. Depth adjustment, excellent cutting visibility, easy screw on mounting. Helps you cut accurate circle holes for caned lighting, car speakers, woodworking projects, and more. Cut or routes precise circles, 0.75 of a degree to 12 inches. So 0.75 of an inch to 12 inches in diameter. Edge guide for accurate straight widths up to 6 inches. A depth adjustment allows you to set the correct depth for each material. So it's kind of like, it's got a, similar to like a router, the router attachment with a depth gauge. And then it's got the straight edge. I thought it was pretty neat. It was $11. I picked it up. You've seen these on the channel before as well. I just grabbed one for each extension cord. I only grabbed these extension cords to make the cord on my 1000-watt halogen lights just a little longer, so I can move them away from the wall when I'm using them outside, because I usually leave one outside normally year-round. These are the things that I got that I thought was pretty neat. Now these, I've never used these specifically before. These self-gripping Ratchet storage straps. I do have a bunch of these, but they are, you know, I got them from Walmart a long time ago. The holes in these are a lot bigger, so these look like they're easier to use. I have shown these on the channel before. I do have a cable right here used for charging. I leave in my toolbox. It has one on them. I like them. They work very well. And I just figured I'd grab another 4-pack. You know, they're a few dollars. They're 8-inch. But these I grabbed just to see if, you know, give them a try, because you can see how large the hole is compared to the older style ones where the hole is just barely big enough to fit the strap in. So I figured, oh, we'll give these a try. You know, you can use them for all kinds of things. I use these a lot on like cell phone cords, electrical cords, you know, stuff like that. Earbuds, I use them on earbuds and stuff like that a lot. But these are the ones, I picked up 4 of these, and these are an 8-pack. It has 2 times 5 inch, 2 times 8 inch, 2 times 12 inch, and 2 times 18 inch. But these actually, I think, are neat. They're cinch straps, similar to these. They have Velcro as well, but these you can write on them, which, you know, isn't the reason why they intrigued me. They're Velcro straps, but they actually have the little metal buckles. And I grabbed 4 of them to give them a try. You know, organization and you know, strap cleanliness or cord cleanliness is helpful. I also have one of these right here on this cord down here. It's one of the large ones. But I just wanted to show you guys, these are pretty neat. And they're like $6.97 a pack. You get 8 of those. This one was $6.97, you get 20 of them. So we got 40 of these guys. Should last a little while. And then we got 8. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8 of the 5-inch. We got 8 of the 8-inch, 8 of the 12-inch, and 8 of the 18-inch is what we got for these. So, and I believe these look like they're resealable. Let me grab a pair of scissors. I do believe these pouches are resealable though, because it looks like they do have a zipper. Yeah, they are resealable, which is kind of neat. So just I believe the green ones are the 18-inch. But I like that these have the buckle. They'll be a lot more secure in my opinion than just Velcro, going through Velcro and everything. The other problem I have with these style is that all the way to the end, you know, right here where the Velcro goes through, it always wants to stick to itself. Now that's good for certain things, that it wants to stick to itself when you put it through the hole like that. You know, but sometimes it's a pain because this piece is stuck here and then you're trying to move it and then you go like that and it gets stuck to itself multiple times. You know, sometimes it can be a pain, sometimes it's not. But these little straps, I think they're actually really nice with the buckle, which is why I picked this one up. I figured, heck, why not give them a try? You know, it can't be that bad. And they seem really nice. Just slide this back on because I'm not going to use them right this minute. But I figured I'd show you guys something neat that I found at Walmart. You know, you get 2 orange, 2 red, 2 yellow, and 2 green. It is nice that you can reseal these bags. I think that's really neat. Which these look like they're resealable as well. And these are, looks like 4 by 1/2 inch, or 10 4-inch by 1/2 inch wide, and 10 8-inch by 3/4 wide. So these right here are a little narrow, these are a lot wider, so these are 1/2 inch at the bottom, 1/2 inch wide, and these are 3/4 wide. You know, it's nice that you get a nice assortment of them. And I'll do just a separate unboxing, you know, and we'll go over this and look at this in a different video. But I just figured I'd show you guys what I picked up, and I appreciate you guys watching. And these were in the extension cord aisle, all of these. This, which I've grabbed a couple of these before, these, the extension cords, of course, these little 3-way ground plugs with the 3 additions. The only thing that wasn't was this was in the Dremel section at Walmart, which is near the power tools. But they're all pretty neat items. Rapid storage, write on labels, allows for easy identification, that's a plus as well. You can write on it. Easy identification, weatherproof, stainless steel buckle, allows for indoor and outdoor use, multi-purpose organizer, labels more than just cords. You know, and you could use them for your shop vac, hoses, and cords on, you know, tools, stuff like that. You know, jumper cables. I'll probably put one of these on one of my jumper cables. But you know, just some neat items. I do appreciate you guys sticking around with me today and hanging out with me and checking out what I found. You know, they're all things that we probably all use. I do like these, the original ones I bought. I am frustrated with them sometimes when it comes to, you know, they stick to themselves when you're trying to thread it through the hole to make the strap. But, you know, that's just my personal opinion. You know, you eventually get over it when you're using them. They do work well. I've never had any issues where the Velcro stopped working or anything like that. But we're gonna give these cinch straps with the buckles, the stainless buckles, a try, and I'll let you guys know how I like them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. If I find any of these on Amazon or anything, I'll let you guys know. I'll put it in the video description down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!